Wow, 2020 has been a wild time. We started the year with full confidence in this bull market, not seeing an end in sight, just to have it turned over with a virus. Now we see companies on the verge of bankruptcy, the stock market tanking. Fortunately, there is one rock solid investment that'll keep making you money, and that's rental properties. In this video, I'm going to be discussing why I think that rental properties are the best investment right now and how to buy it if you have a little bit of money, no money, and if you already own a property. Let's go on in, I'll show you how. The good thing about rental properties, it's a staple item. Just like that hand sanitizer and even, of course, toilet paper, people are always going to have to pay for shelter, and it's going to be one of their #1 priorities. So it'll be the last thing that most people usually cut out of their budget. Businesses shutting down, people getting laid off, projects getting put on hold, people working less hours, of course, if they're even able to work. The safest investment right now is counting on that rental income that'll keep coming in every month, whether or not you're working or whether or not the business is still in business. Now, of course, you're gonna say, but what about the people that can't pay rent right now? That'll be a small segment, hopefully, and that's why the more units, the better. Take it, for instance, this 12 unit. Right now I'm renovating 3 units, which means that there's 3 units that are not paying rent, and I'm still cash flowing. And to be honest, I could probably have 4 or 5 units stop paying rent, and it's still gonna cash flow. So that's the beauty of it, and the beauty of scale. So the more units you grow and buy, the safer you're gonna be in the end. Let's go on in. Looks good. How are we doing?
Good. It's trying to organize all the electrical.
All the electrical?
Yep.
The tongue and groove looks good. I like that. It looks really good.
Just put a cap, and you only have 2 pieces of lighting.
Perfect. And see, that's why I love rental properties. I could be renovating 3, 4 of these units, and I'm still gonna be able to make my mortgage payment with the rent. For 6, 7 years, I kept flipping single family homes and caught in that rat race where every month you're paying a mortgage, you're paying for renovations with no money coming in, which is not fun. So believe me when I tell you, rental properties are definitely the best investments. Because imagine if you had flips where you're just paying a mortgage and renovating, no income right now, and you lose your job, project gets put on hold, or it goes completely sideways, you're gonna be left very, very exposed. So how do you get started buying income property? Well, fortunately, there are a lot of options. With today's lending environment, you could put down as little as 3% on duplexes and even 3 to 4 units. There are a lot of options out there. Let's say maybe you don't have any money right now, but I'm sure you probably know someone that has some money that you can partner with for the down payment and maybe some of the renovation money, and you guys exchange your time for their money. You manage the investment and get the income going and kind of grow it from there. And then, of course, there are people that have properties already that may have significant equity, like a lot of my clients who are pulling cash out of their properties that they have right now to go and buy another 2 or 3 investment properties to keep cash flowing. Those are just 3 strategies that are being used right now to buy income properties, and you can do it too. And right now, there are gonna be a lot of opportunities to buy great properties. Just like when I got started in the recession or during a little disruption in the markets, that was the best time in retrospect. So coming from that time, I'm telling you now, it couldn't get any better as far as opportunities that are going to be presenting themselves. So be ready for those opportunities. I know I am. Being a licensed mortgage broker, I can answer all your financing questions and kind of tell you how to structure the purchase of an income property. I have lots of experience I love sharing. And if you like this video, go ahead and hit a like and subscribe. Or if you'd like to see what it is, a day in the life of all of this, go ahead and follow me on Instagram. That's gonna look great.